Our firm represents a lot of clients in the United States and other provinces on occasion. And one of the questions they ask me is, after we've negotiated a resolution of the matter with the Crown, the client's decided not to go to trial and they want to plead guilty. They ask me, Mike, is it possible that I not show up for the guilty plea and you enter the guilty plea for me? It is possible if you usually try and secure the Crown's consent, and you have to get the judge to agree as well, which is often done at a judicial pretrial in advance of the guilty plea date. And you have to organize everything so that if there's a fine, for example, you have that in your trust account and everyone's agreeable to this. So it's helpful to people who live in Michigan and other states that we represent that we occasionally do this. And if everyone's on board, the Crown and the judge, we can usually get this done. So it's a great benefit for the client because they don't have to do extensive travel. And it's usually done on more minor cases. It's quite difficult to do guilty pleas in absentia, obviously, impossible, I should say, if you're facing a jail term. But these are for minor cases where you might be facing a fine or things like that. So that's called guilty pleas in absentia, which is really Latin for a guilty plea without the accused present in court at the time of the guilty plea.